We've been talking with our clients about their goals for 2022. Most of them want to grow their revenue, increase profit, and have more free time. If that sounds like you, stay tuned because I have 3 simple tips that can help you achieve all 3 of those things. My name is Kirsten with Six Figure Business Coaching. I'm grateful that you're here. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified when we post new videos. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is marketing. It's really important to have a marketing plan that you have written out. So many business owners think about marketing, they research marketing, but they don't ever take the time to actually write out a plan. Having a written plan will make a huge difference in whether or not you achieve your goals. When you're creating your marketing plan, make sure it's realistic. It doesn't make sense to put down all of these things in your marketing plan that you know you will not have the time or money to do. But if you create a marketing plan where you can consistently take action and track that action, you will be far more successful than if you just write down tons of things that sound amazing but never implement them. Your marketing plan can include social media, email marketing, running ads, influencer marketing. There are just so many amazing things that you can do. Pick the things that you feel like are going to attract your ideal customer and then find a way to track the results on how many leads you're generating from your marketing. So that's tip number 1. Marketing is really important and you should have a written plan that you can consistently implement and that you can track. The second thing that I highly recommend you use in your business is automation. There's so many amazing things that we can automate. Everything from workflows with templates and funnels. If you build a quality funnel, that funnel is working for you 24/7. And that's amazing because people are on different schedules. They can find your content, they can sign up for your lead magnet, or they can just buy your product with a push of a button. So funnels are one of those things that you definitely want to automate in your business. Another thing to consider is the automation of email marketing and text messaging and voicemail drops. Email marketing has a return on investment of 42-1, meaning for every dollar you spend, you can earn up to $42. I think that's pretty amazing. In fact, we have a guide on the 9 simple steps to email marketing, and I'll put a link to it in the description below. Email marketing allows you to nurture the relationship. It allows you to do value-added marketing. It also allows you to actually ask people to buy your product or service or to book a call with you. So make sure email marketing is in your marketing plan and automate as much of it as you can. Automation will also allow you to implement things like booking calendars so people can book directly with you without having a conversation or going back and forth via email. It can also help you with things like reputation management so you're getting more reviews and getting more social proof. Another form of automation that we are really loving is copywriting tools like Jarvis. Tools that can actually help you write content for social media or for your website or your emails, or it can even help you write sales copy for your landing pages. Think about that. Having AI help you write your content could save you 60% of the time that you normally spend doing it, and you can often create better copy, or at least I can. So if you haven't checked that out, definitely check out copywriting with some of the different AIs that are out there because it will save you a lot of time and it can help you generate more money. I'd love to know in the comments below, what automation are you using now or are you considering using for 2022? The third tip is outsourcing. Outsourcing is a great way to leverage time and money. As an entrepreneur, we don't have a lot of time, and if we spend our time focused on things like video editing or creating social media posts or setting up email templates or even setting up our funnels, that's time we could spend working with our clients or creating new products and services. If you haven't started outsourcing, I highly recommend you do that. It'll help you implement your marketing strategy, it'll help you run your business more smoothly, and it'll give you more time to focus on the things that are really important. In fact, we have a guide called Double Your Income with a Marketing Virtual Assistant, and I will put that in the description below as well. I hope these tips have been simple and to the point. A solid marketing strategy that you will implement in 2022, using automation, leveraging automation in every way that you can to save you time and money. And then the third thing is outsourcing. There's so many amazing virtual assistants around the world that can help you grow your business, leaving you time to focus on generating income. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next video.